Fix in 5. Got AP0232? Let's break it down. What it is, why it happens, and how to fix it. Your car is telling you it's not okay. Believe it. First, the symptoms. Vehicle does not start or starts intermittently. Verify with OBD2 scanner, freeze frame data, fuel pump voltage PID, engine stalls during acceleration or highway driving. Verify with test drive, note RPM range and load condition. Loss of power under load. Verify with road test. Now the most likely causes. Defective fuel pump motor, internal winding open or short. Pressure drops below 45 psi under load. Fuel pump relay failure, relay contacts corroded. Pump receives 0V or intermittent 12V. Fuel pump circuit wiring open or corroded, connector pins oxidized or harness damaged. How to fix it? Replace fuel pump relay with OEM or equivalent part. Repair or replace damaged fuel pump wiring harness. Clean corroded connectors in fuel pump circuit and apply dielectric grease. Test and replace fuel pump assembly if internal short detected. The scanner and parts I'd use are linked below. How common is it? Reported on 495 models. What does it cost? Roughly Euro 220, 580 doing it yourself, or Euro 420, 780 at a workshop. Rates vary by country. People also ask, will P0232 cause my vehicle to fail an emissions test? Yes, an active P0232 fault code will typically cause your vehicle to fail an emissions or smog test, as it triggers the check engine light and indicates a monitored system failure. Quick one for the professionals. TroubleAtlas Pro is your whole workshop in one app. Get cited by AI when drivers nearby look for a pro, fast fault code diagnosis, full vehicle data from the VIN, parts and tire prices, and client management with PDF quotes. And one for the manufacturers. Make a device? Put it to the test. TroubleAtlas runs an independent evaluation on a fixed, public protocol, gives it an honest score out of 10, and an official seal you can license for your own marketing. We test the product, we never sell the score. And every certificate is verifiable on our site. Apply at TroubleAtlas.com/TroubleAtlas certified. That's P0232. The full guide and every related code are on TroubleAtlas. Links below. Subscribe. New fixes every week, and keep your dashboard quiet.